Some people are shocked that we are not destroyed. They thought by now we would be stranded. But every time they come to check, the glory increases. Every time they come to check, the influence increases. Every time they come to check, the honor increases. Deep in their hearts, they are pained, but there is nothing they can do about it. That is why I say, the light shines in darkness, and darkness cannot comprehend it. This is why you should not distract yourself fighting people. Just keep engaging your mysteries and moving forward. Your success is enough reply. You don't know how helpless they feel, how sleepless they become when they see you soaring on eagle's wings. Don't bother fighting back. Just keep growing, keep increasing. Let the glory increase. Let the honor, the power, the dominion keep increasing. A time will come when you are everywhere. They will advise themselves to keep quiet. Don't fight with anger. Don't fight with emotions. Fight with mysteries. They are a better weapon in the spirit. This is Truth Assembly International, and I am Apostle Barnabas.